gentlemen, beautiful girls, I beg. You get one trend, we on a land, we need to favor us. Fridge, not to put soup and stew, no be body cream, oh. Please, I beg if you put body cream for fridge, stop and you need to favor us. 2 weeks ago, my uncle come back for a house, carry bread. You know, say, even if your house dark, you know your way through. My uncle just carry bread, enter kitchen, open fridge, carry something they rub for bread. You know nothing a Nivea cream. My uncle chop Nivea cream and... If you are a single man here listening to me, the worst place to check woman na for supermarket. Oh. One guy when they meet one girl inside every day supermarket, the girl need to give him attention, so he won't proud. Now he tell the girl, baby, take whatever you want, I will pay. You know, say na bury her sign. Girl will just come to buy milk and Milo. The girl drop the basket, carry trolley. The girl go this side, she collect Ovaltine, collect Bombita and Milo. Still collect Lipton and Nescafe. Come this side, collect Odem Burger, collect Mixi, collect Pick Milk, the sachet one, collect the tin one, even collect the children Pick Me where they write 1, 2, 3. Now when I don't say that girl won't bury that guy, now when she begin collecting things, so no concern woman, she begin collect shaving stick, shaving powder, boxers, singlet and clipper. Now when I don't say that guy now die in the. You don't know if you be fine girl for this life. You tell me say you get problem of house rent. How much? 250,000. When me and you know say you get 4 boyfriends for this water court. Hello. Add your 4 boyfriends for WhatsApp group. Explain your problem to them. Yes. Introduce them. Frank, meet James. James, meet. Then go ask them. You know say some love text message where your boyfriend they send you now. Book SMS. Oh, it's the only thing they send them for. Oh God, these guys don't even understand. They know they... Ladies and gentlemen, our Nigerian Hollywood industry, I enjoy them a lot, the way they do things. But I know only get some kind of movie one didn't understand. I did watch one movie the other day. One guy, they walk across main road to go buy something for part 1. Moto hit him, mean die. They even bury him. For part 2, I was shocked. Then they do traditional marriage. That same guy, they on that canopy, they drink Fanta. I don't understand. The one where they tire me now, the one where they do throwback. You get one movie where I watch. Aki, they cut firewood. Camera can't go down. And I know they do them now. The camera can't come up slow. They can't show 18 years later. I was expecting Aki to turn to Nonso Diobi or Mike Ezuronye. 18 years later, the camera come up. Aki can't turn to Popo. Nigerian music industry, they tire me. But before then, ladies and gentlemen, why we love to relate to people like AY is because I have love for prosperity. If you don't test poverty, you understand. Please put your hands together for AY once more. I don't talk this thing because prosperity is good. Uncle, the first day I gave my father 100,000 naira I make for this work, my papa called me in brother. I was shocked. I called my father to ask him whether I don't get a lot. So I hear my brother, that God will bless you. I said, Daddy, now me, you're picking MOP. He said, forget that thing. Wait till you do for me. Only brother, if you do one for brother. That's how much poverty can go. I like to be rich. I hate poverty a lot. Now, if I visit my family house, my parents, my mama, they serve me food with my father plate. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll do this and I'll leave. Nigerian music industry don't red. I will say it, take it anywhere. For the entertainment industry, Nollywood and we the comedians, now we humble pass. Tell them, say, me talk am. And I don't remember when Terry G they shout, Ginger the ginger, call me the Onana Igbo, call me the Papa, call me this one, call me Terry Jesus. Okay, you Terry Jesus, now when your career don't die, resurrect them now. Now Timaya, make we leave Timaya. Patoranking on night tire me. Patoranking was doing well, good music, money they come, he gonna be proud. Say money they call me, they gonna come, money they call me, they gonna come. After them, we don't come the year Patoranking again. Even small children birthday, they need to call him. Now he gonna remind us, I'm available, I'm available. Call me, I'm available. Say my brother, you die well. Nigerian music don't run bands everywhere. Any station they enter Nigerian song. Any station they enter Nigerian song. Very soon, Then go dey advertise church program with Nigerian music. You feel just dey drive now for your radio station inside your car. You go dey hear oil money, holy fire, holy money, holy fire. When they get your attention, you go hear the ministry of boys ministry. Presence 10 days of power packed miracle signs and wonders. Venue Aztec Arcom. Time 5 p.m. Come and be rectified of all your financial problems. Jesus is Lord. The advert will continue. Olodumare bless you with money. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Madam Kiambo. God bless you all.